Hi everybody, welcome to the 8th piano lesson of Musical Monsters. My name is Michael Stegner. In today's lesson, we're going to work on coordinating both hands so that they can play more complicated things at the same time. Please remember to like and subscribe the video so that you'll know about future videos. Also, if you need a copy of the book, I'll put a link below. Good luck with this and have some fun. If you look at sticky magnets, you've got both hands playing the whole time together. So we're going to do what we did on the last set. And first thing we want to notice is what notes stack up on top of each other. So if we look, the bottom hand has do and the top hand has mi. So those play at the same time like that. Then look at the next note. The bottom hand switches to mi and the top hand switches to do. Okay, and then it just repeats that 3 times. Try that with me once. So your outside fingers and then your inside fingers. That's an easy way to remember this one. So ready? Let's try it together. They each get 2 counts, and we'll go all the way from the beginning to the end of Sticky Magnets on page 18. So here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. Now let's change that up. I was saying outside, inside, which is a good way to practice, but now I want you to try singing the top hand notes. So, mi, do. So 1, 2, sing and play. Mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do. All right, so you see how that works. So if that's tricky for you, just practice it a few times and use the slow version of the practice track. Okay, let's go on. Meeting at 3. This one, if you look at it closely, actually has the same thing happening. It's got mi, do, or outside, inside, but it also has one note in between in the top hand. So mi, re, do, mi, re, do. So try that with me. Let's do Meeting at 3 on page 18. So 1, 2, here we go. Mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do, mi, re, do. All right, now we're going to do it one more time and I'm going to sing it a different way. So let's just do it again and listen to how I sing it and sing it as you practice it this way also. So 1, 2, here we go. Outside, top, middle, inside. Outside, top, middle, inside. Outside, top, middle, inside. Outside, top, middle, inside. Okay, you see how that works? So the outside fingers go, and then the top, middle, and then inside. So that's a good way to think of it as you practice this. So use the practice tracks, slow, medium, fast, and pro on all of these. Now, I will give you a hint. Crossing paths and You Then Me use the same exact idea. They actually have sticky magnets within all of these pieces. Sticky magnets, the outside and the inside, the do, mi, the mi, do, happen at the same time. So you can use that to kind of help give you a starting point. And then Crossing Paths and You Then Me, Meeting at 3, all of those use that throughout those pieces as well. So that should help you get your bearings. Practice Sticky Magnets, Meeting at 3, Crossing Paths, and You Then Me. Spend time with the slow practice tracks until you get the coordination down. Be able to play all 4 songs with the slow, medium, fast, and pro practice tracks. Sing Do, Re, Mi along with each song as well as outside, inside. For bonus, using the practice tracks, play one song while listening to the practice track of a different song. For example, play sticky magnets while listening to the practice track of Crossing Paths. Remember to like and subscribe.